Okay, I wanted to show you really quickly what the outcome would be for this one slide. So here is my third grade memories. That's my title page. And then here are the questions. What was your favorite third grade memory? What is one thing you're proud of? What is your favorite subject or specials? What was the funniest thing your teacher did or said this year? And then the certificate. I took um, I took this and did Shift Command 4 to take a screenshot. I screenshotted it, then I slid it over. I took it straight from my desktop, and then I inserted it, and then I then took a text box to enter her name, where I signed it, in this. So when the kids see it and they hit present, they will see it this big. And I think that that's cute. You are more than welcome to edit this however you want. I'm going to just kind of copy and paste each slide and then change the awards. So now that you have a template, your job should be much easier. And remember, if you don't want to go through the steps of going to PowerPoint for the font, you can delete this into your own font. Thanks.